In this short video, we want to introduce you to our new platform for submitting observations. We hope you find this platform easier to use than our last system, and it makes sharing information with the Avalanche Center really easy. We'll start by the home page access. You can either go under observations and submit field report, or you can simply click on the big submit field report button in the upper right-hand corner of the home page. This will take you to the field report page. We start with contact information, where we're going to ask for your name, your email, and your phone number. You can then choose to either hide your name, which means you will be anonymous when the public views your field report. You can also hide the report altogether, which means only CAIC forecast staff will see your submission. We ask you to fill out the date. You can do that simply by typing it in or picking from the calendar. And then the location, which you can do by either typing in a place name or clicking anywhere on the map. You can also hide the location of your field report by clicking this box. In this case, we're going to assign a randomly selected location that's 2 to 7 miles away from the point you submit. So your report will still appear on the maps with an unknown location icon, and only the CAIC staff will see the original point you submitted. First question we ask you in the field report is, where did you go? So if you can describe your route condition or where the observation came from, that's going to be very helpful for us putting it into context. You come down to observation and avalanches, and you've got some choices. I saw an avalanche, triggered an avalanche, or someone was caught in an avalanche. If you didn't see or experience any of these, you can just leave all of these unchecked. Then we'd like to know if you saw any cracking, and you've got some options under the drop-down menu for cracking, and similar to collapsing. And this is going to be really helpful when we can view and sort the data. Then lastly, we give you a text box where you can describe your observation. This can include things like weather, snowpack description, or any avalanche activity that you've seen. As always, knowing the location of the observation, aspects, and elevations are always helpful. The form ends with our upload features, and you can submit any kind of image or video. They're limited to GIFs, JPEGs, PNGs, and BMPs. And for video, we need your URL. You simply go down to choose file. It'll take you to your browser, where then you can select a file. Then you see that the file name is now populated here. Please then type in a caption and include any relevant information like what you saw, what the photo is meant to depict, the location, and other important information like date. This is the same procedure for uploading any image, including snow pit images. Remember, your snow profile images will have to be in GIF, JPEG, PNG, or BMP format. For adding another file, you can just click on the plus button here. And in this case, let's go ahead and submit a video. I paste in my URL. As always, please add your caption here, and your video should be good to go. And lastly, we have the option for uploading GPS tracks. Of note, GPS tracks are only visible to CAIC staff, so you don't have to worry about giving away your secret stash. When you're done with your video, it's best to just scroll through and make sure you got all the information in the right place and that you like the way it looks. And when you're done, scroll down to the bottom, click the I am not a robot button, and then click submit, and you will see you'll get a thank you note on the upper left-hand side of the screen showing you that you've successfully submitted your observation. As soon as your observation is approved by CAIC staff, you will be able to see it on the field report view screen, which we will show and go through in the next video. We hope you find this new submission platform really easy to use and find it intuitive. You sharing your information with those of us at the CAIC really helps us improve our forecasts. So please tell us what you see out there.